What's up, everyone? Welcome back to California Autos. I'm Richard M. Tryon, and today we're checking out something that completely rewrites the playbook on land yachts. What you're looking at right here isn't just an RV. This is a 3-story, glass-walled, luxury penthouse on wheels. We've got panoramic lounge suites, a full marble kitchen, an exterior spiral staircase, and, no joke, a crystal-clear acrylic swimming pool sitting right on the roof. Let's break down every single inch of this $10 million masterpiece. Now, let's start up front where all the power lives. This thing is built on a heavy-duty semi-truck chassis, but sitting behind the wheel feels like commanding a high-end commercial jet. You're wrapped in ultra-soft leather with ergonomic support, and the entire dash is completely digital. You've got live telemetry, 360-degree camera feeds, and real-time air suspension controls right at your fingertips. Plus, that massive front windshield gives you a total command view of the open road ahead. Stepping out of the cab and into the main lounge on level 1, just look at this space. Thanks to these floor-to-ceiling double-pane glass panels, you get endless panoramic views of the mountains while keeping the inside completely quiet and climate-controlled. You've got a massive cream sectional, built-in floor storage, and warm ambient LED strip lighting recessed into the ceiling. It honestly feels less like a motorhome and more like a beachfront condo in Malibu. Right next to the lounge is a kitchen that puts most luxury apartments to shame. You're looking at solid white marble countertops, a dual-burner induction cooktop, custom touch-to-open cabinets, and a built-in espresso bar. Imagine pulling over in the Pacific Northwest, brewing a fresh espresso and cooking breakfast while looking out over mountain valleys right from your kitchen counter. It's unbelievable. To get upstairs, you take this incredible exterior spiral staircase built into the side frame, complete with step lighting and polished stainless steel rails. Level 2 is where you find the master bedroom suite. We've got a king-sized bed wrapped in crisp hotel-grade linens, custom nightstands, and wall-to-wall glass windows. Waking up to a sunrise over the mountains without even getting out of bed? That's the dream right there. And yeah, there's even plenty of room for your dog to hang out. Right off the master bedroom is a spa-grade bathroom that honestly rivals high-end luxury hotels. It's wrapped floor-to-ceiling in white marble tile, featuring a floating wood vanity, an LED backlit mirror, and a frameless glass rain shower. They even built in a vertical window inside the shower so you can take in the mountain views while getting ready. Now here's the absolute star of the show, the Top Deck Sky Lounge. Head up the final flight of stairs, and you're standing on a full teak wood deck featuring an actual glass-walled swimming pool. It's constructed out of high-strength structural acrylic designed to handle all that dynamic water weight while cruising down the highway. Taking a swim up here on a sunny afternoon while parked over a scenic valley is next-level living. Rigs like this really show you how far custom automotive engineering has come. If you had the key fob to this $10 million land yacht, where's the very first road trip you're taking? Drop your destination down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, smash that like button, subscribe to California Autos, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next tour. I'm Richard M. Tryon. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.